Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to focus on the import button under media when you add things to your page in Book Creator. So when I go up to the plus sign to add things, add content, I'm going to stay on the media tab and go to import. Now when I go to import, I'm going to have more choices. The first one is a way to add Google Images straight from here. You don't have to go to a new tab, save, find an image and then save it to your drive and import it. We're just going to go straight from here. So I'm going to look for a picture, and I'm going to look for a picture of a giraffe. So I'm just going to type in giraffe, hit search, and we get all these great choices. Okay, so once I find one that I like, I can just click on it and hit select, and it's going to add it to my page. Oh, it didn't like that one, so let's try again. Let me search one more time for giraffe. Let's try this guy. Okay, so you can see that it's uploaded and it's going to add it onto my page. Now, once it's there, I can click on it one time and use the handles, which these are the blue dots in the corner, to make it bigger and smaller. And I can use the green button to rotate. Okay, so that's going to be how to import an image into your page. Now, you can also import maps. This is great for social studies if you're looking up a place, literature if you're looking up a place that was in a writing, science. You can look up different landforms and places that you're studying in science. Files your students are probably not going to use because they're going to be on a Chromebook, and so they're going to use Drive. So you also have Drive, and you can connect right here. I'm going to tell it which account I'm using, which one am I using. Allow. Okay, now this will pull everything from your drive, okay? So you want to be aware of that before going in and be able to, I'm just going to search for what I want. That's going to make your life a whole lot easier, okay? And you can add straight from Drive. You can also use the embed feature. This is a little more advanced, so if you have any students that know how to use embed code, then they're more than welcome, but it is a little bit more complex.